Hi, I'm the NR 1500, and I can't wait for us to get started working as a team. Before we begin, you'll need a Nexaro HUB account. To create an account, visit our website and decide which license you want: Pro Single for one cobot or Pro Multi for a fleet. To begin registering, fill out the fields indicated. In the next step, enter your admin data. Now all that's missing is the confirmation of your email address. Go to your inbox, confirm the registration email, and choose a password. Congratulations! From now on, you can log in using your login data. We've laid the foundation for our cooperation. Now, we just have to connect me with the hub.